Our next topic is lines and angles. This is the topic of geometry. To understand this, we have to understand some specific angles like complementary angles. Complementary angles are the angles whose sum is 90 degree. The two angles whose sum is 90 degree, they are said to be complementary angles. Like 45 degree plus 45 degree, their sum is 90 degree, so these are said to be complementary angles. Like 30 degree and 60 degree, a pair of 30 and 60 degree angle, their sum is 90 degree, so they are said to be complementary angle. Our next angle is supplementary angle. Supplementary angles are the angles whose sum is 180 degree. Pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree is said to be supplementary angle. Like 90 degree plus 90 degree, their sum is 180 degree. 60 degree plus 120 degree, their sum is 120 degree. There can be more pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree. They all are said to be supplementary angles. Now the third angle is linear pair angles. Linear pair angles are the two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. Here any of the two angle whose sum is 180 degree can be a supplementary angle, but if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then they are said to be linear pair angle. Sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree, then they are said to be linear pair angle. What do you mean by adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are the angles whose vertex is common, one arm is common between them, and the uncommon arms are on the opposite side of the common arm, like this. So these two angles are the adjacent angles because in these two angles one arm is common. ये आर्म इस एंगल की भी है और इस एंगल की भी है. वन वर्टेक्स इज कॉमन, ये वर्टेक्स इस एंगल का भी है और इस एंगल का भी है. एंड द अनकॉमन आर्म्स मीन्स दिस एंड दिस आर्म्स आर ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द कॉमन आर्म. कॉमन आर्म के ऑपोजिट साइड्स में है. So these two angles are said to be adjacent angles, and if their sum is 180 degree, then they are said to be linear pair angle. Now the two straight line intersect each other, then they form four angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, such kind of four angles. So the opposite angles are said to be vertical opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles, and their values are always equal. Mean whatever the value of angle 1, that will be the value of angle 3, और जो भी angle 2 की value होगी वही angle 4 की value होगी. Suppose the value of angle 1 is 60 degree. So what will be the value of angle 3? That is also 60 degree because they are vertically opposite angle. Now how can we find out the value of second and fourth angle? Now you see this is a straight line. अगर हम इसको हटा दें, then this is a straight line. And straight line, and what is the measurement of straight line angle? That is 180 degree. So if we subtract 60 from 180 degree, then we will get the value of angle 2, that is 120 degree. So if the value of angle 2 is 180 degree, then the value of angle 4 will be 120 degree also, because they are also vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angle, and angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 and angle 3 are the pair of vertically opposite angle, and angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle. So the value of angle 1 and angle 3 both will be 60 degree, and the value of angle 2 and angle 4 will be 120 degree. So in this manner we can find out the value of all angles. Okay, now suppose we have to find out the value of the complementary angle of 70 degree. Find the complementary angle of 70 degree. Then what we have to do to find the complementary angle, we will subtract the given angle from 90 degree, 20 degree. So the value of the complementary angle is 20 degree. Suppose we have to find out the supplementary angle of 70 degree, supplement angle. So for finding the supplement angle, we will subtract the given angle from 180 degree. So this is the supplement angle of 70 degree and this is the complement angle of 70 degree. Okay. Now see some more question based on it. The value of this angle is 3x plus 20 degree and this angle is 2x minus 10 degree. We have to find out the value of x here. Now you can see these two angles are adjacent angles and the linear pair angle also. So what is the sum of these two angles? 2x minus 10 plus 3x plus 20. The sum of these two angles is 180 degree because they are linear pair angles. Okay. Now 2x plus 3x is 5x and 20 minus 10 is 10 is equals to 180 degree. Now we will shift this 10 on right hand side, then it will convert into subtraction. 5x equals to 170 degree and the value of x will be 170 divided by 5. So what is the value of x? 34 degree. In this way we can find out the value of x. As you know that what is the value of the complete angle? Complete angle means this angle. What is the value of the complete angle? That is 360 degree. So if so many angles are given in the question, like this is 74 degree, this is 56 degree, this is 100 degree, and we have to find out the value of x, then what we have to do? We have to add all the angles and then we have to subtract it from 360 degree. So we will get the value of x because the sum of all angles is 360 degree because this is the complete angle, no? 360 degree. (230 degree plus x degree is equals to 360 degree. So what is the value of x? 360 minus 230. That is 130 degree. You can check your answer beta. You can add all the angles and then you find out their sum is 360 degree or not. Add all the angles. What is the value of x? That is 130. Now 56 and 74. So the value of all the angle is 360 degrees. So our answer is right. Okay, in the same manner you can do this exercise 13, which is based on the explanation. Goodbye all of you.